All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Kaspa community. I appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of love on these updates. But yeah, let's talk about what's happening with Kaspa today, as we are obviously going into Friday morning. A lot of interesting things happened with Kaspa over the course of the last few hours. And again, we're going to be talking about that. But if we're looking across the board right now, we are seeing the market once again pulling down. And reason as to why this is the case is because of the dominance index. Dominance index is pulling up. And, Bitcoin has been seeing a little bit of a retracement within its price as well, which of course is having an impact on some of these altcoins. But if you're looking at the price of Kaspa today, Kaspa is down about 0.6% in USD, comparative currency sitting at about 13 cents. We're up about 2% in Bitcoin compared with the market cap at about 3.26 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about $244.3 million. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. And, recently, over the course of the last few updates, I would say the last 2 to 3 updates, we are starting to see the price of Kaspa correcting. But today something very interesting happened. And of course, we're going to kind of talk about that. I'm going to share my personal opinion with you guys on that. But if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, we know that the Bitcoin dominance index, it did see a little bit of a pullback. But over the course of the last few hours, it's actually on the verge of breaking towards a new yearly high. So, the dominance actually picked up. While if you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin has been seeing some sideways momentum. We retested the likes of $86,716. And, the price of Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. And anyone that's going to come out and say, why is Bitcoin showing bearish moves? I really hope you guys are understanding how big of a move Bitcoin has recently had. And after a big move like that, you need to have a little bit of a consolidation, a little bit of a cool off, and find a little bit of a ground for itself before heading towards the upside. And, speaking about finding a ground for itself, that's exactly what the price of Bitcoin is doing. And I've mentioned this in some of my other updates like XRP, update, even the Pepe update. Even if the price of, Bitcoin were to fall below $85,000, even if it were to retest the likes of $81,000, I am still mega bullish on BTC. So that's that. Bitcoin, of course, has seen a little bit of a minor pullback after hitting an all-time high yesterday. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, we did see Bitcoin going down about 6.8%. And again, a 6.8% is quite a large drop for Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is down 6.8% and you're seeing the likes of some of these altcoins going down with the dominance sitting at the likes of 61%, should not be a big surprise to any one of you. But with that said, let's take a look at what happened with Kaspa and, why, something specific that is quite interesting happened. So we know that the price of Kaspa was on its way back down to the likes of the 12.26 cents just yesterday. Since then, we actually saw a massive move, and let me show you guys on the hourly time frame because you can clearly see it better on that time frame. So there we are. So look what happened yesterday. Obviously, we spoke about that the price of Kaspa is back below the major key resistance, which of course was a support at that price point. So we did see a retracement of about, you could say, 25% after hitting a yearly high. I'm sorry, not a yearly high, after a monthly high for quite some time at the likes of 16 cents. So, of course, this was causing a lot of frustration that, the price is back below this major key support. But look at this for yourself. The price of Kaspa actually saw a major spike over the course of the last few hours. So if you picked it up last night, you did see Kaspa go up 25.5% in a single candle. And, these are some moves that we've seen in the past. If you've been a Kaspa holder for quite some time, I'm sure you guys know that, these are some moves that we have seen before happen as well. You can see this for yourself. A major move and then, a major pullback. Major move slightly after that major pullback. So pretty much what I'm trying to say is, we do tend to see a lot of manipulation with the likes of Kaspa, and this is not something new. We've been covering this on the channel for quite some time, but look what happened, guys. You guys might seem to be kind of getting tired of the repetitiveness of the 78.6 and the importance of the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but literally we bounced from this key level, broke out of that key resistance, and literally touched the 78.6 right on the neckline itself. And I really want to show you guys what I really mean. So if I were to zoom in, literally right at the 78.6 fib resistance, and boom, rejected. And of course, we need to keep in mind that, Bitcoin dominance did go up since then. And, Bitcoin also went to the likes of $86,000 a few hours ago, and that can kind of change the overall momentum. And of course, anyone that was, leverage trading, maybe, bringing in a lot of excitement towards the leveraged platforms, thinking, the price of Kaspa is about to go up. This just gave, if it was a manipulated move, manipulators a chance to, pull the price back down. And that's exactly what we're looking at happening. So right now you're finding the price of Kaspa back below the major key support at 13.5 cents. Very, very important to remain above here. But I do believe this move that we have seen is solely due to manipulation that must have occurred, or maybe, a whale market bot. It could be that too. Maybe a major player market bot causing the price to go to the likes of the 15.3 cents, but it did not last too long around that range. You can see we're pretty much finding ourselves back down to these levels. But really, really important to remain above 13.5 cents. If not, even though we have seen this move, it seems like a little bit of a pump and up. So, I am confident that, this could be due to some manipulation, but I'll keep you guys covered, of course. Let me know down below what you guys think. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for your support. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.